Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name's Austin, and today we're going to be taking a look at our incredible DuraMax cotton bonnet pads. Unlike any other pad that's on the market today, the 100% cotton DuraMax pads clean deeper, absorb better, and last longer than anything else on the market today thanks to their unique woven construction. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I've got the 21-inch pad here with me, and the first thing that you'll notice immediately when you pick one up is how substantial they feel. That's because they're actually two separately woven pads that are then stitched together using our distinctive design here. Now, this technique combined with the 100% cotton construction immediately provides several advantages over traditional pads, which usually fall under one of two categories. Until now, cleaners had to choose between either synthetic pads that give them the durability that they need but lack in absorbency, or fully cotton pads that clean great but they just don't hold up. The solution? A 100% cotton pad that is uniquely constructed to maximize both durability and absorbency. The weaving technique used in the DuraMax pad to create loops that are the ideal length for deep cleaning carpet fibers without sacrificing integrity, which sets them apart from single layer cotton pads that have longer double-sided looping that's more prone to wear. So now, choosing between durability and effectiveness is a thing of the past. The DuraMax pads from Mytee are the best pads in the world because they put an end to the trade-off and truly give you the best of both worlds. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. If you want more information, please check out Mytee.com. You can always connect with us on Instagram or Twitter, or join the conversation at All Things Mytee at Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time.